Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Like 4 years back, I used to have issues with having some questions in makeup that I don't have answers to. I've had so many questions that I don't know who to go to. I don't even know where to start from. I have faced a lot of difficult challenges. I've faced a lot of difficult things. So many challenges in this makeup business. I have questions that I want answers to, but the point is that I don't even know where to go to get my answers. I don't even know who to visit to get my questions answered. With the knowledge I have about makeup and with the few things I know about makeup, I have decided to create a platform or an avenue where you guys will be able to ask me questions and I'm going to answer your questions. But I just want to give back to my community the way you guys have been giving back to me. Okay, guys, so I have created something that is Beauty Bites with your questions unpacked by Ifee Artistry. Somebody recently asked me a question on Instagram on my TM. In fact, I told her that I'm going to create a video for it. So she asked me a question, and one of the things that pushed me into making this video today is because of that question she asked me. The question was one of the issues I faced. She had issues with the makeup she did. So she was asking me to know why it happened. And this is an issue that I faced in one of the days I was doing makeup in Nigeria. So I knew what she passed through. After making so much research and after reading a lot about my makeup and learning a lot about makeup, I was able to solve this problem. I was able to know what to do to solve this problem. And now, one of the reasons why I decided to attend to questions on Beauty Bites is because most of your questions are things that normal people equally face. I faced the issue that I faced the particular issue that this person asked me. I know that two of us are not the only people that face this issue. There are so many creators, there are so many makeup artists that go through these things on daily basis. But because they cannot ask, they might not know how to ask. They might not know who to ask. They might not have the ability to actually ask. So I'm going to be bringing these questions and sharing it with everybody. I'm going to be answering most of your beauty questions. So most of the questions you have on makeup, on hair, about business, about entrepreneurship, about anything that has to do with beauty, anything that has to do with creativity, anything that has to do with content creation. To the best of to the best of my knowledge, I'm going to be able to answer you guys. If you ask me questions on things that I know, I'm going to answer you. If you ask me questions on things that I don't have an idea about, I'm going to find someone that is going to answer you. So I have created an avenue where I'm going to be answering most of your questions. It's not all the questions that I'm going to be bringing to this beauty bites. It's not all the questions because basically some questions will just require me to just type and respond to you. But if your question qualifies to be on the beauty bites, I'm going to let you know that if my answer is incorrect, you can correct me. If I'm wrong, you can make me right. So I'm going to be doing this. It's just a way for me to give back to the community, just a way for me to give back to you guys for being there for me, for always being there for me, for always being lovely people, for always being amazing people. So I'm going to be dropping the beauty bites on my YouTube channel. It's going to be airing every Friday. From the day it's going to drop, I don't know the day this video is going to drop. So from the day it's going to drop, I might have created some of the beauty bites questions. So I already have some questions that I want to answer, especially most of the things that I know that we face and we don't know. Most of us don't know answers to these questions. With my knowledge on makeup now, I'm going to be answering most of these questions. And like I said before, if there are ones that I cannot answer, I'm going to call on somebody that have more knowledge to answer the question for me, to answer and give us answer and talk about it. So guys, I just want to give back to you guys and I want to be able to answer your questions. You don't need necessarily, so if you have any questions on makeup, if you have any questions on about anything, do not feel bad. I am one person that loves to hear your complaints. I am one person that loves to hear about what you want to talk about. So come to me and explain and talk about them, and I'm going to answer you. You can basically drop your questions anywhere, both on my WhatsApp, on my Instagram DM, on my YouTube comment section. If I am going to answer on the beauty bites, I'm going to let you know that these questions will be attended to on the beauty bites. So opening my YouTube channel, this is one of the main goal in this channel, to be able to be closer to answering you guys questions. And ever since I started this channel, I see that I have not really done this. I know I do answer most of the questions, but I have not really thrown a lot of light the way I would explain. If you have come to any of if you have come to any of my online classes, you will see how I am always passionate about answering questions. And recently, I've not really done an online class for a very long time, and most of you guys do have questions to ask me, and most of the times answering these questions and bringing it up and having a way to answer these questions is an issue. Most of the times, if you ask me a question on the comment section, I am tired of typing because I don't know how to explain what I'm talking about with typing. It will require something that I have to give a voiceover for, or maybe I have to talk about it. But most of the times, I can't talk about it because why? There is no voice notes on YouTube, so I cannot use my voice. I can't explain what I mean. I might just give you a straight answer, but the straight answer I know that you might not understand. You will understand when I talk about this, when I explain it. Most of them is it might not even be something that warrants me creating a video for. Because most of your questions, if it's something that warrants me creating a video for, I'm going to create a video for it. But there are some things I just need for me to just sit down and give you guys an explanation. So, like I said before, I am going to be doing this just to help everybody and equally myself to learn more about makeup, because there are some questions that I might not even know about it, but with you guys' questions and equally me making more research about it, if it's things that I know or maybe things I don't know that somebody else answers, I will be able to equally learn more and equally get to know about that thing. Don't you think so? So it's a win-win for everybody. It's going to help all of us. So thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm going to see you guys next Friday. Bye.